Okay, so, but they were in the picture. We were just kind of trying to draw it for an understanding. Okay? So it's not an angle bisector. It's not a perpendicular bisector. It's neither. It's just a perpendicular. Okay? So neither, and if you wanted to, I don't even know if that's the way you spell neither. We talked about that, right? Okay. So we talked about that. All right. So, but what we could call it is a perpendicular radii or radius, since it's only one, right? Radius to what? To the end center. Does that make sense? There's a lot going on with this diagram, believe me. And if you understand 80% of this, you're doing good. Okay?
Is DR angle bisector too?
Ah, DR. Nice. What is DR?
Angle bisector.
It's not an angle, but it goes from the bisector, right, to the end center, but it's really nothing.
So it's neither?
Neither, yeah. It is a bisector from the end center, but it's not a radius to the end center, right? It's not. It's not a radius to the circumcenter.
So this one's literally nothing.
It's literally nothing. Well, it's a bisector, is what it is. So it's a segment bisector, because see how it's lining up right here, and it cuts this in half, right? So it is a segment bisector. So we could call it. It's neither. Is the answer, but then you could say it is a segment bisector, though. It does bisect the angle. It's not a perpendicular bisector, and it's not a angle bisector. It's just a segment bisector. So it's one of those extraneous information so they will do that to you. Throw stuff on a problem that you won't be able to really solve or use. Does that make sense?
Yeah,
So
it's hella weird. You just look at it.
Yeah. All right, that's it. Huh? Let's do one more since